If you're looking for build a remote house near Denver within an hour, so we have this 0.6 acres land in Idaho Springs, perfect for use as your year-round home or vacation home. So as you can see, this area is beautiful, surrounded by all kinds of creeks and trees and nice houses nearby. So from the big picture, Denver is 32.8 miles from this property, and then Idaho Spring is just a little bit north of this this lot. So this property is let's see, it's a slope, but it has a really good road access. Let me show you the parcel shape again. So this is the parcel shape, as you can see. And so this area does not have a homeowner association. It's zoned for, the building code is mountain residential, one single family home. You can see these neighbors already built their houses, and this lot has a lot of trees. The general elevation is a little bit over 9,000 feet. I think the property tax is not that expensive, probably around somewhere like couple $100-ish, in that range. So for water and sewer, you would just need to drill your own well and install your own sewer system, and power should be already on the property. So you can see this is a more established neighborhood, and these houses are absolutely beautiful. So go to our website, let's see, our website, cheaplandfarm.com. So this property is listed on our website. There has more information, and then you can click buy now to start the closing process. How to order is here, and then go visit the property. I encourage you to go visit the property by plug in the GPS coordinates there, and then for more information, click the FAQ page. I can answer, our team can help you. This is Bay with cheaplandfarm.com, and then info@cheaplandfarm.com is our email. You could reach out to us or call us at 317-796-8076. Other than that, have a great trip and keep us posted if you have more questions. Thank you so much for watching.